Y'all talk about it forever, right? Yeah. Okay, just say. I was happy for him. I was at his wedding every Saturday. He never was happy. Then he would trick me. It happened on a Friday, didn't it? Okay. So, now, the biggest trick of the evening is those two who people want to get married and throw them out of marriage conference. They think they really started. We're here to trick y'all into getting married. So. Learn what people know to do. Handle your business. All right, don't be, I ain't gonna point at nobody. But don't be like certain people. That's all I'm saying. Who in here, who's been married the longest?
What we do?
Corey, how long you been married?
Me and Ari.
No, they've been, Pastor and Ari them got us.
What, 13 years? 13 years. What about y'all?
12.
12, oh, it was a little competition there, wasn't it? Okay, 12, 13, it ain't all that, okay, you got that. Okay, no, the best thing about marriage is the love, the respect, right? Because see, I ain't got that yet. My husband never experienced that from me. What he experienced is, leave me alone. You know, because I'm irritated. You know what I mean? I didn't get all that. One time we were mad because we had a fuss. I probably knocked him upside the head or something, you know, I don't know. And so we were angry. And so I was like, I'm not doing nothing. I'm gonna just lay around. So I laid around all day. So then the next day came, and he was like, well, what you gonna do today? I said, I'm not gonna do nothing. He was like, you didn't do nothing yesterday. I said, then I wasn't finished. Please don't make me mad. Ain't nothing in the Bible gonna come to mind for me, okay? Just don't make me mad in my own way. Okay? Because I know the rules. Because you know, really, you say I do, but you really mean I do, or I'm kind of thinking about I do. Because I can't until I see that you're gonna do what I said you're gonna do. Which is what? Well, who knows until you get married, till the sock is over there 3 times straight. Why is your sock still there? Like, it's crazy what women have to put up with. A hamper, the sock is by the hamper? How is that a normal thing? Why can't the sock just be in the sink so you know it has to be an accident that it's on the sink? That's still, it should be in the sink. You can't be by the hamper. That means you're doing it on purpose, don't you? And when I turn the cable off when your sports is on, and then that's accident too, ain't it? Because we can't get no kind of TV, can we? So that's how marriage was for me. You know what I mean? Just come in fussing, like, oh, don't have to fuss with you again. And what do men say? They call it nagging. Is that the word?
Nagging.
The one that sets us off, right?
Nagging.
You just nagging. When the lights is off, I'm just saying, bam. I don't know. It's different. Because I picked the crazy because I was begging God, please, Lord, give me a husband. As soon as I got one, I was like, Lord, why you give me a husband? Why are you listening to me? I don't know what I'm talking about. No, but I was happy for a couple minutes. So, there's some happiness, there's some love still left, right? But ain't it sweet? How many of y'all got kids? Oh, yeah, the kids are good. Okay, this is the kids' table.
Oh, y'all terrible. They put the kids on.
Okay, they got the single table, the people with the kids' table.
And the kids that don't want kids' table.
And that is the table don't want kids. No, they might want some, they cute. Yeah, they want some. Pastor Tim and Ari, they'll just start saying something that don't make sense. Well, the people in the dance ministry are our kids. Now, they all 30. They're not your kids. That's ridiculous. Now, that would be the answer. I'm like, you know what? Don't talk to them. Don't talk to them. They ain't reading the word because they're lying. Okay. You ain't your kids. And your cousins. All right. Y'all know what I mean. How y'all mean the women? The women still act silly when it's their time of the month? Yeah, a little bit. Corey moaned a little bit. Corey moaned a little bit. I'm just saying, he said he moaned. I mean, you can say what you want, Gina, but Corey moaned. So and that's your kids. It's crazy. You know, my grandma, Don't ever tell my grandma I told this. They made that little blue pill. Y'all know that little blue pill. I ain't gonna call it out its name. I'm telling you, my poor grandmother couldn't bend down and take a roast out the oven without my grandfather coming up in there. So, we don't ever need that blue pill to happen. We had to move her into our house just to get her left alone. So, marriage at a certain age, something got to stop. Now, see, maybe y'all ain't old enough to know, but I just need y'all to know, that little blue pill is deadly. Okay? Because we done had to tie him down. You know, we done try to hurt him. Leave the woman alone. Because don't y'all think that's what happened in the Bible with Abraham and Sarah? Don't y'all think that's what happened? I don't want to do that no more. Okay, you know what? Let me give you my maid servant, because you ain't. Okay, so she took your maid servant up in there. Now, don't do what he wants you to do, because I ain't got no problem with that. But she, am I lying? See, y'all reading the word, y'all not reading between the lines. She wasn't just like, oh, let's just rush it. No, he's on my nerve. He's old, he's wrinkled. He ain't got no blue pill. You know what, you gonna do something? Do it, Sarah. All right. And then you know she was mad because women do that all the time. We'll be like, look, honey. She's pretty, isn't she? And as soon as he agrees, it's over, ain't it? Oh, so you like her better than me? Oh, wait, you think she look better than me? Okay, now you're the one that asked the question. Is that the truth? Women are ignorant like that. But men are worse, aren't they? Because they'll marry you, and then they got some expectations that they didn't have when you was dating. See, when you date, they take you out to dinner all the time, don't they? Take you to the movies. They're like, I want to do that. I'll do it for you, honey. As soon as you get married, you didn't cook nothing?